Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's today, Thursday, March the 4th, 2021. We have here today only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku, and this will be a number 2416. I've made a mistake yesterday with two puzzles, but this one should be 2416. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you compare with the extra Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1-star Sudoku. Yes, in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. But first we will solve this baby. Yes. Alright. So let's get started. Let me see. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square. So no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Then. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. Yeah. Let me see. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There, no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We see here 8, no 8. 8 should be here and the 9 goes and there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8. How about the number 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 3, 4. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3, 9, 6. Okay. Yeah. We have a 7 there. 7. Yeah. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2, should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number? Let me see. 639. 639. 391. Yeah. Okay. 2 2 1 1 7. 1 2 7 9 3. Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there are 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 6. We have a 9 and a 6 in this column, so no 9 and 6 in these 3 boxes. The 9 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 9 9. Alright. Then how about these 2 numbers in the middle column for the numbers 4 and 2? 4 and 2, let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. 3, 6, and the 7. Yes. Alright. 3, 8, 7, 3. 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 7 is missing. Yeah. 2, 7, and 3. 2, 7, and 3. We see here 2 and a 7, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 3, 3. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Then 6. Yeah. 271, 271, 271, 271. Yeah. 109. Let me think. How about the number? In this column, we have 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And look, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. So the only place for the 9 should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. No 1 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6, all right. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 3 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. And this should be a 9. Alright. 1 box left in this column for the number 8 is missing. 8 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 and 7. Same like here. 1 and 7. Alright. So 2, 7 and a 1. 2, 7 and a 1. 2, 1. Okay. 1, 7. Need a 1, 7. Need an 8 here. I need an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column, the 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We see here 1. No 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Now we have a 7 there, so this box cannot be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7, and this should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 4. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, great medium Sudoku. I like this one. 1 star. If you compare with the extra Sudokus in additional. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other Sudokus in the additional. See you later. Bye bye. For now.